Hello guys, welcome to Code with Khan Developer. So today we start HTML from zero. If you don't know anything, no problem. I will teach you step by step, very easy. What is HTML? HTML is a language used to create structure of website. HTML means hypertext markup language. Structure means heading, text, image, button. Everything you see on website is created using HTML. Simple example. Website is house, HTML is structure. Now I explain. HTML is very simple way. Just imagine you want to build house. First, what do you need? You need structure. Am I right? Like walls, rooms, doors. Without structure, house cannot stand. Same thing in website. HTML is like that structure. HTML creates heading, text, images, buttons, everything. So website is house, HTML is a structure. If there is no HTML, there is no website. Next point is why learn HTML. Now question is why we learn HTML. HTML is the first step in web development. If you want to create website, you must know HTML because HTML creates the structure of website. Without HTML, you cannot build any website. Later, we learn CSS and JavaScript. CSS is used for design. JavaScript is used for functionality, but HTML is base. So, if your HTML is strong, your web development will be strong. First step in web development, create website structure based for CSS and JavaScript. Every website you see on internet start with HTML. Now before we start coding, we need one software. We will use Visual Studio. I have already installed it on my system, so I will not install again, but I will show you how to install step by step. First, open your browser. Now search Visual Studio Code. Now open the official website. Make sure you open the correct site. This is official website. You can click. Here you will see download button. If you are using a Mac, click on this. If you are using Windows, click on this and choose the version for your window. After download, open the setup file. Now just follow steps. Click next, then install and finally finish. Very easy. Now open Visual Studio Code. Your editor is ready. If you face any problem, tell me in comment. I will help you. Today we learn what HTML is and why it is important. We also saw how to install Visual Studio Code so our computer is ready for coding. In the next class, we will learn how to create our first HTML file and write code. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.